My name is Ken Maher. I'm from the Chicago area. Started with CrowdStreet back in 2019. Luckily, I've found a bunch of deals that I can invest in, so it's been a really good relationship with CrowdStreet. I would go through, read everything that they publish to try to understand real estate. I'll tell you what else I did. On YouTube, there's some information about just real estate in general. So I tried to understand real estate in general, but the best information I got was from CrowdStreet. Every quarter or semi-annually, they go over all the different asset categories within real estate, so I learn about that. I watched countless number of deals and watched the presentations, read through the deals, and tried to understand that way. And in fact, right now, if I talk to people who are into real estate but maybe are investing somewhere else, I will say, go to CrowdStreet, watch their deals. Invest or not, just watch them, because you'll learn how real estate works by watching the deals at CrowdStreet and watching the material, reading through the materials and watching the videos and that sort of thing. I recognized that I just didn't want to do one deal and then wait for it to end. So I went in kind of like you look at a stock portfolio, saying, look, I want to do multiple deals, and that way I'm diversifying my risk by having more deals, or a sufficient amount of deals to diversify, because I wanted to give it a good shot. So I think my approach has worked so far, and I think it will, continue to work. If you want to do this, you have to think long term, because the deals are, tend to be 3 to 8 years or something like that. So you want to get that experience, but I definitely think it's worth it. So this is more of an opinion of how to invest. You kind of have to stick with where you're going. You hear this sometimes when you think about stocks. It's like, whatever your strategy is, a certain percentage of small stocks, a certain percentage of large, sticking with it sometimes is a better option. Well, for real estate, I feel the same way. Like, I committed, I continued to invest. I've actually not slowed down in some ways during the last couple of years when it's really been bad, because what happens is you have deals that may be better because they're more conservative. This is where I came from in the beginning. Do multiples so that you are, have some diversification. I think it's phenomenal, because I think the fact that the broader you get into the market, having funds that allow maybe somebody who doesn't want to get into the details can invest in real estate or invest in private equity or invest in debt. And that, I think, is really a great move. Plus, I think that will make CrowdStreet stronger. They'll have more diversification, which will make the real estate portion even stronger.